Welcome to A Great Cooker. I'm Sophronia. Today I'm going to show you how to make some chocolate pudding in the microwave. It is a very quick and easy recipe, but what's going to take me a little bit of time is to get my kitchen cleaned. I cannot operate in a dirty kitchen, and as you can see, I'm standing in one. I wanted to give a quick explanation as to the state of my kitchen. Yesterday was my husband's birthday. My daughter made this 4-layer cake. My husband loves strawberry and lemon, and he specifically asked for a strawberry and lemon layer cake. And as you can see, it is moist. Everybody loved it, and it's almost gone. This microwave chocolate pudding recipe is not my own. I got it from food.com, but it is a good one. And I don't know about you, but I don't want to stir and stir and stir and stand over a stove for 25 minutes to make pudding. Actually, my son did that and made us delicious chocolate pudding, but we shouldn't have to work that hard. Okay, so this is 2 tablespoons of butter, unsalted butter, and I'm just going to soften it in the microwave. Make sure you have a microwave safe bowl, and we're going to start with 2/3 of a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of baking cocoa. This one's great value, but look at this. It's only cocoa. That's the only ingredient in it. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to add in 2 1/4 cups of milk. You're supposed to stir this in slowly. So I'll slowly start adding in this 2 cups first. Besides not having to stir this, I also appreciate that there's just a few ingredients in this pudding. If you look at the box, you know, the ingredients on a box of pudding, it's way more than these few ingredients. Okay, now that's pretty liquidy. And let me go ahead and add in the 1/4 cup so I have the right amount. Now, we're just gonna, as long as we watch this mixture, we're gonna put it in the microwave. And it takes about 6 minutes total. And we're just going to, every couple minutes, stop and stir it. It's been 2 minutes so far. So we should be about 1/3 of the way done. It's still quite watery at this point. Adventures in the kitchen with Sophronia. It seemed extra watery to me, and I just realized that I didn't add the 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. We can heat this up all day long, but without cornstarch, it's never going to thicken. So 3. Hopefully this won't affect it. I hope this will not contribute to lumpiness, but we'll find out in just a couple minutes. All right, now back into the microwave for 2 more minutes. Now it's been 2 minutes with the cornstarch, which is important. Okay, yes, I actually feel and see that it is thickening a bit. And 2 more minutes. Okay, so now we're looking at, it's actually been 6 minutes, but I'm not counting the first 2 minutes because there was no cornstarch in there. And it is coming together, but I should have checked it sooner than the 2-minute mark because it did bubble up and spill out over the top of the bowl a bit. So I would say after the first 2 minutes, you should start checking it every minute. I don't know if you can see, but we still have a couple more ingredients to add. So I'm gonna go 1 more minute, but I'm gonna watch it this time and make sure it doesn't bubble over. We still have a couple more ingredients to add, but look at this. I don't want any more of this to be wasted, so I'm gonna scrape this back into the side, scrape this down back into the bowl Oh my goodness, look at that. That is a very nice consistency already, but what we want to do is add in the 2 tablespoons of butter. It's going to give it a nice rich taste. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is imitation vanilla, so I'm going to add a little bit more. If it was real vanilla, then 1 teaspoon would definitely be enough. If you have a glass bowl like I do, then it's probably hot, so be careful. Oh my goodness, this smells delicious. So then just stir this until you have incorporated the butter, pudding, and vanilla. Here we go. It's all done, served up. Now I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and actually the kids will have this tomorrow. Give this one a try, and in the description, let me know how it turned out for you. I'm also thinking about vanilla, but I know for sure this chocolate one is good.